Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've unboxed a full case of anything mystery minis. So let's unbox this. I'm very excited to share these with you. I will have weights posted on my blog at playliverepeat.com featuring these awesome new retro toys. These are the Target versions. So there's going to be some variants based on the ones that you're going to be able to find in the store. So we have 3 exclusives, and that is a glowworm exclusive. We have the mixed up Mr. Potato Head, and we have the tan version of Leatherneck. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you are a regular subscriber, thanks and welcome back. Tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. Let's get started. We got another Cavity Sam. This is from Operation. He has most of the areas that he can be operated on. You can see that it's got the dog in his leg, and then we also have the water on the knee and the bucket, and the hardest one to get, which was the butterfly. I love playing this game. Now I want to tell you that this box was actually all mixed up when I ordered it, so it's not like this is the order of the box. When I bought the package, when I bought it, it was shipped to me, so it's not going to be in order. All right, we got another Snake Eyes. We already opened him up on our TikTok. I'm at Toy Mom on TikTok if you want to see some other unboxings. I love this series because it celebrates all Hasbro things, all Hasbro toys, and even games, which I'm so excited they actually released finally Mr. Potato Head. So anybody who collects Toy Story Funko now has Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. Yay, we got the glowworm, and this is the exclusive, so that's awesome that we got that. Does not have the PJs like I thought, so I am totally geeking out right now. I love glowworm, so super cute. I had this when I was a kid, my sister had one, and then my son had one too when he was little. Total nostalgia right here. Super duper cute. Does anybody use weights anymore? I mean, I haven't been to the store with a scale in a long time. I figured I'd share them though. You never know. Rather than opening them up in the store and ruining the boxes for other people, at least you could just try to get the right weight. Oh yeah, baby, we got Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, and he is so awesome. He's got the detail of his open butt. I love him. He's even wearing his hat. This is so cool. We also got Mrs. Potato Head from our TikTok video, and we're also on Instagram at playlive.repeat. You can watch reels on there too of other unboxing videos. Do a lot of Funko. Make sure you check us out. Let's keep going. Nice. We got the Leatherneck tan version. I believe this is another exclusive. Yes, it is. Now we just need to complete our exclusives to get the mixed up version of Mr. Potato Head. But this was pretty awesome. This is the tan version of Leatherneck. The pulls so far have been pretty decent, even though the exclusives are 1 and 6. Almost done with the first layer. Shipwreck Sailor G.I. Joe. Keep going, baby. Oh yeah, baby. We got the green camo version of Leatherneck. That is pretty darn sweet. Nice. Comparing the two different colored grenades, and even the areas over here. I have no idea what these are called. Very nice though. I guess this is box F. I am not sure. So in case you're wondering, box F has pretty good pull so far. Keep the momentum going. Hope you're able to find these in store. If not, now because of COVID, you're able to order these like online so easily. So definitely order them online if you're looking for some money off. They have some sales going on for the holidays and Black Friday. So make sure you check those out because it's a really great time to buy collectibles like these. Oh yes, we got Mrs. Potato Head. Got a duplicate, but that's totally cool. I got 2 kids, so I'll take a duplicate. Moving along nicely. Oh man, we got a dupe. It's our first duplicate of this box. It's Mr. Potato Head. That is a true bummer. So we're not going to complete this. I wonder what we're not going to get. 3 more to go. Let's see. We're missing Stretch. We are missing My Pet Monster. This guy right here, who is this? Cobra Commander, I believe. Play-Doh Pete, and that's it. Oh, and the mixed up exclusive. Oh no. No, it's a duplicate. Another glowworm is born. So adorable though. I love it. I love this line though. It's so awesome. It's just so many to collect. And honestly, I went crazy with those Alien Remix. I think I bought every single one from every single store. I went nuts, like buck wild. Honestly, I still even have Alien Remix Funko Pop minis to open, and even the Funko Pops to show you guys. We already unboxed them because we just love them. Oh man, we got another exclusive. So this is the tan version of Leatherneck. This is the last one. It definitely does not feel like Stretch Armstrong or My Pet Monsters. I'm hoping that it is Play-Doh Pete. Let's see who we got. Will this be the lucky pull? Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? We have another Leatherneck green camo. Come on. Come on. Got a lot of duplicates in this video. I got 2 exclusives. Now let's check out the Mr. Potato Head Funko Pop. Well, here is the box. This is number 2 of the Pop Retro Toys. Now we have like a whole new Pop line. I love it. Mr. Potato Head is right here. Let's take it out of the box and show you up close. Oh, take a look at this. He kind of has like flexible arms. That is pretty awesome. And I don't feel nervous that it's actually going to fall apart. Look at the detail on this. This looks so good. I think it would have been really cool if we were actually able to like move out the pieces, but then it would just be a Mr. Potato Head. I love that we have his hat, just like in Toy Story. Of course, it's the original derby hat. This looks really, really good. There's no need for a stand because he stands up nicely on his own. And I think this is a great addition to your collection. Will I be getting the rest of them? You bet I am. I actually pre-ordered a lot of them and I'm waiting for them to come. They are slowly trickling in. Guys, let me know what you think of this collection in the comments below. Are you collecting Pop Retro toys like we are? If you want to see more videos like this, let me know and hit a like and a subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.